So guys, for the first method, make sure that your display cables are properly connected to your computer and to your monitor. You can also unplug them and then plug them back in again. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. You want to find your graphics card, right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, there's going to be 3 links down below in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. Make sure that you have the latest graphics card drivers installed for your software. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now once we're here, make sure that your scale is on the recommended option. Make sure that your display resolution is also on the recommended option. Make sure that your display orientation is correct. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Now you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem. Your display cables may also be faulty, so you can replace them.